Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hyper-V on Windows 10 Pro step by step clearly. To activate Hyper-V on Windows 10 Pro, first, ensure your system meets the hardware requirements. Hyper-V requires a 64-bit processor with second-level address translation, or SLAT. Next, check if your Windows version is Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. Open the control panel on your computer. In the control panel, select the Programs option. Then click on Turn Windows Features on or off. A list of Windows features will appear. Look for Hyper-V in this list. Expand the Hyper-V option by clicking the plus sign next to it. You will see two sub-options, Hyper-V Management Tools and Hyper-V Platform. Make sure both options are checked. Once you have confirmed the selections, click OK. Windows will begin to apply the changes. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. After the installation process completes, you will be prompted to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your machine to finalize the installation. Once your computer restarts, Hyper-V will be activated. To open Hyper-V, search for Hyper-V Manager in the Start menu. Click on the Hyper-V Manager application to launch it. Now you are ready to create and manage virtual machines on your Windows 10 Pro system. With Hyper-V, you can run multiple operating systems simultaneously. Explore the features and capabilities Hyper-V has to offer for your virtualization needs. That's how you activate Hyper-V on Windows 10 Pro, step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.